But as the cold front approaches and comes through, we get some of these downpours that are off to the west. So let's take a look at how this is likely to play out. You have tomorrow morning's commute. I don't expect heavy rain, but I do expect clouds, possibly fog, drizzle, mist, murky and damp conditions, which never helps. The rain will get somewhat heavier by the time we get to about lunchtime into tomorrow evening's commute. By the end of the commute, most of the rain will have exited and the skies will partially clear. So that's how it looks like it's going to really play out. How much rain can we get out of this? Looks like the potential is there for about an inch, maybe even an inch and a half in spots in some of those heavy downpours. And the flood watch, a lot of that's because of the situations that, of course, we've been showing you along the rivers. We're concerned with the ice jams, and also the heavier downpours could cause some localized street flooding. This is the area, parts of Middlesex and Worcester County, under a dense fog advisory. You can see low visibilities in Norwood, Providence, Worcester right now. So that's another issue for the morning commute. Now, when we bust into the warm air, which should happen from Boston southward, midday tomorrow and tomorrow afternoon, the winds will pick up out of the south, enough so that a wind advisory has been issued, as we could get gusts to 40 to 50 miles per hour. So overnight tonight, it's light rain and drizzle locally and fog in the Boston area. Temperatures inching up toward dawn. Remember, some iciness north of Route 2. Tomorrow, wet and windy. The heaviest downpours coming lunchtime to about the start of the commute, and strong winds in the afternoon and evening, and temperatures flying into the 50s. All right, let's show you what happens after that. What a change. We turn windy and colder on Wednesday, and Thursday is actually quite cold. The highs will only be in the 20s, and look at the wind chills. Single digits, both above and, like around the Berkshires, even below zero. So again, the way to do this, 50s tomorrow afternoon, and back we go to wind chills of significance by Thursday morning. By the way, looking beyond that, next weekend, look at that, the temperatures moderate again. So we turn colder on Wednesday, quite cold Wednesday night into Saturday morning. Another temperature moderation follows. The up and down roller coaster is going to continue. But if you're in the northern part of our area, be careful early tomorrow. There still could be some iciness going on.